In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a domain to Plesk. Whether you're a seasoned administrator or someone just getting started, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. Adding a domain is a crucial step in managing your web presence, and Plesk makes this task efficient and user-friendly. First, let's start by logging into your Plesk account. Ensure you're using an account with the right permissions, either as an administrator or as a user specifically allowed to add domains. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the section labeled Websites and Domains. This is your home base for managing all the domains associated with your account. Within Websites and Domains, you'll find the Add Domain button. Depending on your Plesk version, it might appear as plus add domain or even add domain/site. Click on that button to begin the domain addition process. Here is where you'll input your domain details. Begin by entering the domain name you'd like to add. For example, you might input something like example.com. Next, you'll need to select the hosting type. Most often, you'll choose website hosting unless you're setting up the domain solely for DNS management or forwarding. You'll then encounter the option to set a document root. This is the directory where your website's files will be stored. Plesk usually suggests a default like HTTP docs. However, if your project requirements dictate a different route, feel free to change it. If your Plesk server operates with multiple IP addresses, you'll want to select which IP is appropriate for this new domain. This decision depends on how you're organizing traffic and resources for your sites. You'll also need to set a system user. This includes defining an FTP login and password, which controls ownership and access to the domain's files. It's essential to choose a secure password to protect your website's data and assets. At this point, there's an optional step: modifying the DNS settings. If Plesk is handling DNS for your domain, verify that the domain's DNS points to Plesk's name servers. Alternatively, ensure the A record is set correctly to establish proper connections and functionality. Finally, click OK or Add Domain to finish the process. This action will create the domain or subscription in your Plesk account. Once the domain is added successfully, you'll see it listed in the Websites and Domains section. Now, you're ready to take further action, such as uploading your site files, installing applications, or configuring SSL for secure site access. Remember, managing domains effectively ensures a robust online presence, and Plesk offers a comprehensive suite of tools to help you along the way. Thanks for joining me today, and see you next time for more Plesk tips and tutorials.